They say space is the final frontier, but what if the real mystery lies below us, not above? NASA, the agency we all know for space exploration, suddenly shifted its focus toward the ocean. Why? What did they find in the deep that made them turn their eyes away from the stars and into the abyss? More than 70% of our planet is covered by ocean, yet we've explored less than 5% of it. We've walked on the moon, but we haven't fully mapped our own seabed. Down there, pressure can crush steel, darkness is absolute, and temperatures drop near freezing. It's a world where sunlight never reaches, a silent kingdom of secrets, older than humanity itself. The ocean hides places where even the bravest explorers hesitate to go. From the Bermuda Triangle, where ships and planes vanish without a trace, to the Mariana Trench, the deepest known point on Earth, nearly 36,000 feet down. In 1960, explorers Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh reached the bottom in a tiny vessel called the Trieste. They reported seeing something move down there, something massive, even though no light, no oxygen, and almost no life should exist at that depth. In the early 2000s, NASA quietly started collaborating with NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The goal? To study Earth's oceans using space technology. They said it was for understanding climate and discovering marine life. But insiders claim there's more to the story. In 2015, NASA oceanographer Gene Feldman said, "We came to realize that space and ocean exploration are nearly identical. We use the same technologies, the same goals, to understand the unknown." So, why does a space agency need to study the deep sea so intensely? What are they preparing for? In 1997, NOAA's underwater microphones recorded a mysterious sound. It was called the Bloop. A deep, powerful rumble detected thousands of miles apart. Scientists at first thought it was an unknown sea creature, larger than any whale ever known. Later, they said it might be ice quakes, but even today the exact source remains a mystery. Was it a natural phenomenon or something else moving in the dark? At nearly 7 miles deep, the Mariana Trench is a place beyond comprehension. Only a handful of humans have ever been there, including filmmaker James Cameron, who dove solo in 2012. He described the silence as unearthly and claimed to see movements in the dark that didn't match any known species. In 2020, a team led by Dr. Alan Jameson discovered plastic even at the trench's floor, proof that human impact reaches the most forbidden depths. But they also found microbial life that can survive conditions thought impossible, life that might hold the key to how organisms could exist on other planets. Since the 1950s, over 70 aircraft and hundreds of ships have vanished in the Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious patch of ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Some researchers link it to methane gas explosions or magnetic anomalies. Others, including Dr. Richard Weiner, author of The Devil's Triangle, believe these disappearances could be tied to energy sources deep beneath the ocean floor. What if NASA's ocean data is connected to the same electromagnetic patterns that cause these vanishings? In 2013, sonar imaging revealed what appeared to be massive geometric structures deep near Japan's Yonaguni Island. Some believe they are natural formations. Others say they're the remains of an ancient civilization, older than Egypt. Scientists like Dr. Masaki Kimura, a marine geologist, insist the shapes are too perfect to be random. If true, this could rewrite human history and explain why agencies like NASA want detailed scans of our ocean floor. NASA's probes have found oceans beneath the icy crusts of Europa and Enceladus, moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Those oceans could host alien life, life that might look very similar to what thrives in Earth's deepest trenches. If we can understand how life survives down there, We can predict how life might exist beyond our planet. So maybe NASA isn't running from something in the sea. Maybe they're learning from it, preparing for the oceans beyond Earth. Every discovery in the ocean brings us closer to understanding who we are and what we might not yet know. But one thing is certain, there's a reason NASA turned its gaze downward. Whether it's new life, ancient structures, or energy sources beyond our imagination, the deep sea might be the true final frontier. And maybe, just maybe, it's where our biggest discovery, or our biggest fear, still waits. If this video opened your eyes, hit subscribe and join Parallel Truths, where we uncover the hidden connections between science, history, and the unknown. Because the truth is never just on the surface.